Hashtag Duterte update for today, the 11th
We
of
have to
March,
file a counter
2025.
affidavit without doing those procedural process. Here we are, being issued the warrant of arrest, questionable warrant of arrest. Ano naman po, sir? Sir,
There's naman doon, blooper, puro... Pagdating sa trial dyan, tatawagin kita sa witness stand. Sabihin ko, you're the person who arrested me. May I know the reason why? Have you read the documents? Or at least, have you read the case at that time when you made the arrest? So that you would be guided to what you should know. Yan lang yan. Magkaibigan tayo, galing ako gobyerno.